Welcome back to Mega Auto World, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into the automotive world. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Honda CR-V, a model that continues to push Honda's reputation for reliability, practicality, and modern innovation to new heights. The 2026 CR-V builds on the strong foundation of previous generations, but with sharper styling, improved technology, and an even more refined driving experience. Honda has clearly focused on creating an SUV that appeals to families, commuters, and adventure seekers alike. From the outside, the design has been slightly evolved with sleeker LED lighting, a more aerodynamic body, and a bold front fascia that gives the CR-V a confident road presence. It's not overly aggressive, but it definitely looks more premium and modern. Under the hood, Honda continues to offer a combination of efficiency and performance. The 2026 CR-V comes with a refined hybrid powertrain option, delivering strong fuel economy while still offering enough power for highway driving and weekend trips. The traditional turbocharged gasoline engine remains a solid choice for those who prefer simplicity and familiar performance. Honda's goal here seems to be offering flexibility, and both engines provide smooth acceleration and a comfortable ride. Inside, the cabin continues Honda's clean and user-friendly approach. The materials feel upgraded, with soft touch surfaces, improved stitching, and a layout that prioritizes both driver comfort and passenger space. The 2026 model offers more legroom, making it great for long journeys or family use. The digital instrument cluster and the updated infotainment system add a high-tech feel, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available on all major trims. Honda has also upped the game when it comes to safety and driver assistance features. The latest version of Honda Sensing comes standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and improved collision mitigation technology. These enhancements make the CR-V not only safer but also more relaxing to drive, especially in heavy traffic or long-distance travel. Cargo space remains one of the strongest points of the CR-V, and the 2026 model continues to impress. Whether you're packing for a family vacation, loading sports gear, or using it for everyday errands, the rear space is generous and practical. The flat loading floor and wide tailgate opening make it easy to move larger items, reinforcing why so many SUV buyers love this vehicle. Overall, the 2026 Honda CR-V stays true to what has made it one of the best-selling SUVs in the world, while also bringing meaningful improvements in technology, design, and efficiency. It's stylish, reliable, spacious, and versatile, exactly what many drivers are looking for today. If you enjoyed this review and want more automotive content like this, make sure to subscribe to Mega Auto World, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.